you ever seen any Hindu women wearing these things? You know what it is? This is called Sakha and this one is called Pola. Hindu women, especially the Bengali Hindu women, wear this Sakha and Pola in their hands. But why? What is the reason behind it? Hello, I'm Adita Pal. I'm welcoming you all in my new video. In this video, we are going to discuss about these things. Before knowing the reason behind wearing this, let us know about how they are prepared, how they are made. Sakha are made up of conch shell, are worn by Hindu women as ornaments at their weddings, as a religious symbol. During recitation of wedding hymns, the father or guardian of the bride gives her a pair of conch bangles. The groom also brings a pair for her. The conch shells are cut and polished for making Sakha. Hindu women wear conch bangles with utmost devotion, seeking well-being of their husbands. Use of broken or cracked bangles is ominous. Common conch shells bear an anti-clockwise bent. A clockwise bent on it makes the shell very precious and is regarded as Dakshin Bharta or fortune conch. In religious sense, the conch is holy. Lord Vishnu holds such a conch in his hand. Now Pola. Pola is a red coral bangle. It is made from red coral. The coral is cut in shapes and then polishing is done. Then the Pola is made. Sakha Pola forms an integral part of the wedding trousseau. It is worn by the bride in the wee hours of the marriage day amidst ritual and customs. Now what are their significance? It is believed that the red color of the Pola symbolizes the wife's love and strength, while white symbolizes the purity and peace. These bangles are typically made of ivory, lac or glasses and are worn by Hindu women on a daily basis, especially during special occasions and festivals. But it is a mandatory wedding ritual for Bengali brides especially. The ritualistic symbol has great historical significance as well. Back in the days, Bengali farmers used to collect conch shells and gift them to their wives. After some time, they started to powder the shells and make bangles out of them. They were greatly skilled at making red bangles as well. Since they were poor and couldn't afford to wear ivory jewelry, the women used to love this gesture and it became an important custom of the Bengali wedding rituals. Wearing this bangles symbolizes the purity of a woman's love for her husband. We found out some scientific reasons as well. Some sources says it increases the circulation of blood in the carpal shaft area where the central nerve passes in the forearm. It generates static activation sites in the human body. Wearing these bangles results in improved lifestyle and makes you more energetic. Hindu women wear Sakha and Pola as their traditional ornaments, which are considered auspicious and symbolizes married status. So what we have understood, this is basically a custom. In recent times, not many women wear this traditional accessory. As more women step into the work arena, they accessorize less or wear jewelry which is no jingle and sans sound. But some women wears this and loves to wear this even today. So it is basically a belief. Beliefs plays the vital role here. It is up to you what you will believe.